All right, so you need a 4x4 to get back here, guys. That was not a Camry. Definitely was not a Camry, right, Mark?
Absolutely not.
No, it was not.
Just there.
We're heading to Botany Bay on Edisto Island, and it is beautiful.
Pretty live oak trees.
Yeah. Oh no, we're catching up to another Camry.
Second one.
You can only make it if you have 4-wheel drive or a sedan.
A Camry. It has to be a Toyota.
Yeah.
Here in the wild, we are in Botany Bay.
Oh my gosh.
There are Camrys everywhere.
The wild, elusive Camrys.
The wild, elusive Camrys in the wildlife management area of Botany Bay Plantation. We are at maximum capacity here in the car. There are 2 trolls up front who smell. The rest of us in the back are okay.
Our British accent needs a lot of work.
Yeah, I lost it.
Mine's way better.
I liked it though. So this is Botany Bay. You got to check in. It's a wildlife management area. It's beautiful. Once in the past, it was destroyed by hurricanes.
Massive hurricane.
But they fixed the bridge. It's the abbreviated description of this place.
Go on,
This man's name is Ted.
All right, so
Botany Bay
we've got our tag. We are official. We are legit. The tide is going down, we've been told. And
We were told not to take any shells, but we're going to take at least one.
yeah, you're not supposed to take shells. They want the shells to remain so that you can see how shelly a shelly beach can be.
Say that 5 times fast. How shelly a shelly beach can be. How shelly a shelly beach can be. How shelly a shelly beach can be.
Keeping it untouched for the environment.
Yeah.
Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
This is nice and bouncy. I like this.
Seashells by the seashore.
I like it
There's
too.
the angel oak tree.
No, it's not.
I know it's not.
Oh yeah, and we're going to Angel Oak later, so that'll be cool.
That'll be a lot of fun.
It's like 10 times that size, baby.
I know it is.
Yeah, it is.
When we were checking in, the guy named that we're calling Kevin, he was surprised that there were 8 people in this vehicle because it is surprising.
No, I said Ted.
Oh yeah, wait, his
Ted Nugent.
yeah, his name's Ted.
We don't know his
His name is Tevin.
It might be Ted Bundy, but
He had the look of Ted in his eyes, so we just knew.
Ted.
I thought you just said Kevin.
And this is why Camry shouldn't come back here.
So excited! I did not expect to find mud.
Hardcore off-roading today.
Hardcore off-roading.
James, here we go.
Never mind that the Camry just went through it.
Oh, there's one.
Oh yeah.
Should have got me to take a picture outside the car.
Oh man.
Could have been the new Honda Pilot page picture.
This could have been the new Honda Pilot page picture.
Oh well.
Oh my god, there's too many humans. Turn around.
It's only 30 cars.
Yeah, a beach. You'd have like.
Probably a mile or
See,
two
there's
beach.
the house and there's all of their land.
Oh, the Camry's going around the mud hole,
Yeah.
so it doesn't get stuck.
What a loser.
Going straight through the middle. What'd you find?
Let me see.
Better watch out, Eli. Mark will pee on you.
Blind without them. No, clip-ons don't exist. What are you talking about? They don't exist.
Where are we going, Isaac?
Exist yet? We should invent it though. So we
Yeah, we're going to the beach, huh?
clip-on things for sunglasses so that people with
All
full
right.
eyes can actually see.
This is going to be a good adventure, right, guys? Is this going to be a good adventure, honey?
I guess so. Do I have sunscreen all over my face?
No,
Is it smudgy?
no, you look beautiful.
We are cutting up.
Yeah, catch up. All right, so don't collect the shells. Come on, Isaac. Mark,
Alex!
you can't go here. It says no dogs or horses.
Yeah.
It's kind of slimy and really squishy.
And really squishy.
And stuck to my
Oh, there it
I got
goes.
this one.
Wow, that's so
Wow, maybe we'll be able to catch some crabs on the way here.
Thousands of fiddler crabs.
Thousands of million.
Everywhere.
A million.
A million.
Alright, let's get to walking.
Maybe not a million.
I want to make sure James doesn't get too crispy.
Salt marsh is really pretty. And just off in the distance, I can see the beach that we're going to be going to. I want to take a video of you running fast. Isaac, run, run, run. No, catch up to Mark. You're not running fast. That's not how you're gonna win the race. You gotta run fast. All right, so we're entering a hammock island. Hammock islands are located landward of barrier islands.
Right there.
Did you get it, Eli?
Almost.
Guys, look what I found. Is that a
Crab.
fiddler crab?
No, you
I
didn't
got him.
Alright, let me see.
And I got a snail.
Wow, we're almost there, guys.
I didn't see it. Maybe we can set like that also in the tide pool.
Yeah.
Look, it's the hull of a boat.
That's the wing of an airplane.
Think so?
No.
I think I found a sailboat.
What do you think, Alex?
I think
Gorgeous.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Really pretty.
What do you think, Evan? Give me some thumbs up. Oh yeah. All right, let's go this way. Come on.
Tell us about this thing.
I found a mole crab, guys.
I've never seen one.
It has like a
Yeah, let me.
little face.
He has
Yeah.
like a little face. It's
Here,
so
hold
cute
it.
looking.
All right, we're gonna let him bury himself for the video.
You know, got him. You got him.
You got a mole crab.
Alejandra.
This thing is so weird.
Alejandra.
What?
Are you ready?
We found one of these things.
No idea what that
We
is.
don't know if they
Theropod.
bite. We don't know
Yeah, I hope it doesn't
if
bite.
they are poisonous. I'm just kidding. They're not poisonous. It's swimming.
Isaac just found this crab shell. He thought he found 2 crabs, but it was the crab shell and then this fully, like, newly molted crab. It's like soft.
Wow.
It can't even pinch me right now because it's so soft.
What do you think, Eli?
Good?
You like it?
Yeah. Why don't you go for the try?
Well, I felt some stuff in the water over there. I thought it was like a stick or something. Oh, you're playing with your little crab?
Yeah, he's walking underwater.
That's so
Watch.
cool.
Watch.
Oh, he's so cute.
Watch. Look, see, he's walking
Wow,
underwater.
that's so cute.
It tickles! Is that the one without a left claw?
No, that's a different one because he has no claws.
He
He has
jumped.
no big pincers. Just
All right, you guys catching some crabs?
I got one.
Good job, Eli. Whoa. You're getting pretty good at catching those, buddy. We'll have to take them fishing sometime, huh?
This one
Catch
is
some
tiny.
sheep's head. Say bye-bye, beach.
Bye-bye, beach.
Say bye-bye, beach.
Can you wash my hands off?
thank you, babe.
Say bye-bye, beach.
I'm gonna put my phone in here. So that's one of the old.
It's one of the old buildings. Everything else was wood except for the chimney, I guess.
Yep. Probably. Watch out, squirrel.
Caution alligators.
Ooh, alligators in all this far out?
This is one of my favorite parts. There's a dam, the road, or whatever is built across the salt marsh.
Yeah.
But it basically created a saltwater pond or lake.
Yeah.
And the fishing's really good in there.
Is it?
But you have to have a child with you to fish, and
really?
and it's catch and release only.
That's too bad. Catch and release.
Catch and release. So there's the Botany Bay Plantation in all its crumbled glory. That's exactly what I was about to say.
Top of my head too, man.
And then
called Steam Cloud.
okay, well, correction, Steam Cloud Plantation.
Sea cloud.
Sea Cloud Plantation. We also keep seeing these signs.
Never seen that anywhere in my
We must have a problem with people running over snakes.